Back in September, I accidentally fell over the bedspread of my wife's bed, and at the time I didn't know I did anything. The next morning I got up and I developed a softball-sized hematoma on my right leg, and I got really concerned, so I called my family doctor, Dr. Gray, and she knew what was the matter, and she referred me to the wound center.
Mr. Hendricks came to us with a large leg wound after a fall. He didn't really have much pain there, so he didn't think that it was super important, but it was not healing. So he did end up coming to us, and we started to treat his wound. We were able to use a lot of different advanced modalities in Mr. Hendricks' wound care and kind of just time them appropriately as his wound started to heal. So we use things like negative pressure wound therapy to help fill the wound in. We were able to use compression therapy to take care of his leg swelling. And then at the end, we were able to use skin substitutes to help bridge that skin together and encourage it to close. We can offer all of these different advanced modalities in one center so that there's just a continuity of care within the wound healing process.
I can do more now, like I did before the accident happened, taking care of the house and cooking and everything. They treated me real well here. With Kim and Peyton and Dr. Long. I give them a AAA for the care that they gave me while I was here.